Okay, so we proceed with the next question, which is question 2D. So the question reads, complete the square for the quadratic expression. We have x squared plus 5x plus 3. So how do you complete the square for this quadratic expression given? Okay, so since this one is already independent, what are we supposed to do? We have this, then when we have this, we square it. So it will be, we keep our x here, plus when you have this, it will be 5/2, you square it. Since here we have a positive, so it will be minus. When you have this one, it will be 5/2, not so. Halving is, you just divide 5 divided by 2, which is 5/2, or you multiply 5 times 1/2. Then when you have this one, you square it, plus 3. This stage, you have this as your question. What are you supposed to do? You check if the value of x squared, if you check if x squared is independent. If it's not independent, try by all means to make it independent. In this case, x squared is independent. So what are you supposed to do? Here, you get your x, this one, or you come up with the square root. Let me say you come up with the square root of what? The square root of x squared here, it's x. So when you introduce the square root here, so meaning this one and this one will go, but you just have you're going to remain with this one, and just this one is supposed to be there. You're going to remain with this one. Why? It's because of this. When you have this, you have to square it, plus 5/2, the half of this, which is this one, then you square it, minus, since this one it has been halved, you don't have to forget about it. Remember, when you have it, then you introduce a square. We write a square as this, the square root as this one, which is positive or minus. So here it was positive, here it will be what? It will be minus, but there are these squares here. Okay, so we have this stage. What next? So it will be our x plus 5/2 here. So you have x plus 5/2 squared minus, what is 5 squared? That's 10. 5 squared, that's 25 is all. 2 squared, that's 4. We have something like this, plus what? Plus 3. When you reach this stage, you continue. So it will be our x plus 5/2 squared minus over 2 squared, then here now minus. So it will be here. What is our common denominator? What is our common denominator here? That's 4. 4 into 4, 1 times negative 25, that's negative 25. Plus 1 into 4, it's 4. 4 times 3, 4 times 3, that's 12. So what is negative 25? What is negative 25? Plus 12. You're going to have negative 13 over 4. So we're going to have something like this. So it will be x plus 5/2, you square 8, minus 13/4. This one becomes your answer.